Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to download Minecraft for PC. In order to download Minecraft for free on your PC, you could follow these steps. What you want to do is here, first thing first, open up your browser and log into your account. Next, on the search box you want to type in Minecraft free download. You will then be taken to their official page. You would go with the first link that appears. After you're taken to this page, you could then click on download for Windows, or you could just go ahead and click on get Minecraft as well in the top right hand side corner. Now as you've done it, so what next you want to do is here you want to go ahead and purchase the Minecraft game, or you just want to go ahead and select the edition. So then once you've actually done it, so click on checkout. Now enter in your payment details, and as soon as you're done entering the payment details, you'll then be asked to sign in with your Minecraft or Microsoft account. So click on it if you have already an account, then you could go and click on sign in, enter in the credential and just follow along the procedure. As you remember that I've also downloaded the exe file, so here you could go and open up the file location from the downloaded section in the top right hand side, and here you could double click on it and run the installation as well. This is one way of doing it, so you could go and click on install and follow the terms and conditions. And likewise, that's how you could download Minecraft for free on your PC. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.